Krystal Everdeen, and today I'm going to share with you some crochet inspiration and ideas for Easter, and everything that I share with you today will be linked in the description box down below, along with its pattern or its listing, so you could either recreate it with the pattern or you could just purchase the product outright, totally up to you. But again, everything is listed down in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the very first project idea that I want to share with you today is actually something that I shared on my channel, and it is how to make these crochet bunny coasters. And I tried my best to make it as beginner friendly as possible and to go slowly and pretty much crochet it in real time in that video so you can see all the steps. So yeah, go ahead and check that out if you want to learn how to recreate these crochet bunny coasters. And that's the only project on my channel that I think would be Easter related, and everything else is going to be things that I found on the internet, mostly on Etsy, if not all on Etsy. But yeah, again, linked in the description box down below so you know exactly where to find it. Okay, so the next Easter project idea is this absolutely adorable bunny plushie. But not only is it a bunny plushie, it is a bunny plushie that is wearing overalls, which makes it so much cuter. And okay, so for the next project, I don't know about you, but for me, whenever I think of an Easter treat, I automatically think peeps. And although I don't actually eat peeps, I still think that they're really adorable and like a staple for like an Easter spread. So I thought this was really cute. They have a pattern on how to make peeps crochet peep plushies and I love the way that they took a photo of these items here. They first of all made them in a bunch of different colors and then put them in an Easter basket, and I just thought it was absolutely adorable. But in addition to these bunny ones, they also have how to crochet these chick peeps, and they only have it in yellow. I think like the photos they have, they only have the chick in yellow, but you can make it whatever color you want, just like with any project. And I thought those were really cool, so you can have a bunch of like crochet peeps as your Easter decor. Another Easter decor idea is this bunny garland. So they made a bunch of like bunny shapes and attached them all together. Now you can just learn how to make these bunny shapes and use that as decor. Or you could again make them as a garland like that, just attach them all together. And if you're a fan of Easter garlands, this next project is carrot garlands. So the first one was bunnies, and then you can also make a garland of carrots and like put them together, and I think that would be complimentary and look really cute. But yeah, so those are options as well. Actually, in addition to the peeps, another iconic Easter treat is the chocolate Easter bunny, which you can make a crochet version. I thought that was rather clever as well. And there's actually a lot of options on crochet Easter baskets. So there's this style right here that's just the bunny's face and then the little ears in the back. And this one's actually kind of small, so I wonder if the pattern allows you to alter it to make it like in different sizes. But for this next style, it's more of like an actual like little basket with a little handle, and I feel like it's a little bit bigger, so you could actually put like your eggs and stuff that you find during your Easter egg hunt. I thought that one was really cute too. And then there's this style that is the bunny's like feet and ears. So just a bunch of different options for you. Then for the last one, there's this Easter basket that I feel like you could actually just use that as regular decor all year round. Well, I mean, really, everything just depends on your style. You could use the other baskets all year round as well, but I feel like this one's more of that like aesthetic kind of style, so I wanted to include that in there. And if you're looking to make a much larger project, you can recreate this baby bunny blanket, which I think turned out fantastic. I love the colors that they chose for this. And again, if you have a little one, a little baby in the family, there's a couple of other ideas I have for you. You can make them their very own crochet teething ring, which I thought that was very unique. I love that this looks like really well made, and the toy for the baby will be personal since it will be handmade by a loved one, and I thought that was a really great idea. And you could also just make the baby a full-on bunny cardigan with a hood with bunny ears as well as bunny designs on the actual cardigan itself. I thought this was really cute too. And jumping off from the cardigan, you could also make a bunny jumper for the baby as well. So lots of really cool ideas and projects for little babies out there for Easter time. You can just make the little babies, little bunnies, little crochet bunny projects. I have a few more plushie ideas for you. Now, these aren't necessarily like actual like Easter animals that you think of, because you normally think of like baby chicks and bunnies for Easter, but I thought these little birds were so cute. I don't know what kind of birds they are. I know they're the little birds that you could have as pets, like you could find them in a pet store easily, but I don't know what their names are. But I thought these were so cute, and again, I love the colors that they chose for all of these birds, like the pink and the blue and the purple. It's just very springtime, and I just thought these were really adorable, and I wanted to include them in here. So yeah. But then we go back to the traditional Easter animal, the Easter bunny, and I thought these realistic crochet plushies were amazing. I mean, look at them. They really look realistic as far as like crochet plushies go, and I thought they turned out really great. Next up, a lot of Easter accessories, aka like bunny ears, honestly. So the very first project is this crochet headband that is bunny ears, so crochet bunny ear headband, cute. But then we also got a bunch of different kinds of hats. So we have this bunny ear bonnet for babies. It says it's a baby bunny bonnet, but I'm pretty sure you could make it in any size for like, again, babies or kids or adults, you know, if you want to wear it yourself. I think it would be really cute, but if that's not your style and it's a little edgier than that, there's also these hats, which I want to say this one's probably my favorite one because it's such a bright pink, so it's like really girly but also kind of edgy at the same time, and I thought these were really, really cool. So there's this one, but then there's also this black one. Actually, you know what, this looks edgier because it's also has a balaclava, which is a thing that like covers right here. It's like for snow or something, but that's probably why it also looks edgier, because not only is it a dark color, but it also has that mask on there, and I think it looks really awesome. But yeah, it's a little edgy for Easter, but still bunny related, so I thought I would include it. But if you want to tone it down again, you could just make this bunny beanie. So it's just like a normal beanie with little floppy bunny ears, and I thought that's absolutely adorable. And since all my crochet video ideas have some sort of bee project in there, I just wanted to include this one. I was trying to find like a crochet bee that also had bunny ears, but I couldn't find one. So I found this listing. It is of a crochet bunny that's wearing a flower headband with a little bee buddy, and I'm like, you know what, that's close enough. But again, it would be really cool to find a bee that is wearing like a little tiny little headband of bunny ears. I thought that would have been cute, but I couldn't find it. But anyway, those are all my ideas that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, found some inspiration with all these listings. And again, everything is linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you love crochet, if you want to see any more of my crochet tutorials, I have so many of them on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Both are at Krystal Everdeen. It's a fun time, and I would love to see you there. Thank you so much again for watching, and don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.